Crema de Fruta. It's no bake, so there's no excuse for not being able to make it. Look at those layers of crackers and custard. Topped with fruit salad and glaze with gelatin. What a beauty! Crema de Fruta without baking. Use graham crackers or Marie. It's an alternative way of preparing or presenting your fruit salad. Place it on top of crackers and top it with gelatin. Look how beautiful it is. You're watching Channel Juan and this is Pinoy Food Series. Let's join Romelo at his small kitchen. Welcome to Channel Juan, your Korean uncle here in Holland. We are trying a new format today. No, the reality is this was not intended to shoot. That's why I'm supplying the explanation via the webcam. I'll be presenting the ingredients now. I am the voiceover. And easy ingredients. Just 4 egg yolks, butter, milk, water, Marie or Graham, and fruit cocktail. And don't throw away the syrup, use it for the gelatin glazing. Just combine water and the milk. This is sticky. Then add butter. It doesn't have to be softened. It will melt anyway. What we're doing here is tempering the egg. We don't want to add it into the extremely hot liquid because it will curdle. So we will gradually expose it to the boiling liquid. This is done by gradually adding the hot liquid into the egg yolk. And then combine the preheated egg yolk with the rest of the liquid. And let's thicken our custard mixture by adding flour. And mix thoroughly. Make it smooth as silk. Let it cool a bit and we can assemble the crackers. This is just like tiling. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can even use breakages. If you enjoy what you're watching, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you won't miss any uploads every Wednesday and Friday. And as option, you can also dip first the crackers in cold milk. That will accelerate the setting of the cracker. Just like tiling. They wet first the bottom of the tiles before applying concrete. The same. You don't know that, I'm sure. See the rickages? Don't worry, we'll cover them anyway. This is our first layer of custard. and tile the crackers again on the way to our second layer. And apply a generous coating again of the custard mixture. And onto our third layer of tiles. We're gaining mastery as we progress through the layers. Ideally, we should have enough custard mixture for topping this third layer. But we're running out. The plan here was to make 4 layers, but I ran out of custard filling. What should I do? This is a blessing in disguise. If this didn't happen, I should have used my Nestle cream, and this will make it even creamier. Fortunately, I had the Nestle cream, which I combined with the remaining custard filling, which made the mixture even richer and creamier. What a blessing in disguise. The mixture may be on the wet side, and I'm concerned this might get dissolved by the gelatin later, but this will help in further softening the crackers. It will help the cracker set better. The moisture will be absorbed by the cracker and eventually making it softer. That's the magic. Now, do you see something familiar? It resembles a fruit salad. Essentially, these are the ingredients for a fruit salad: the cream and the cocktails of fruit. They're just placed on top of layers of crackers. This is an alternate way of preparing a fruit salad. Place it on top of your cracker and serve it as a cake. I presented 2 types of gelatin, the agar-agar from the sea and the gelatin leaf. I used the second because it's clearer. The agar-agar is brown, so I don't want it to discolor the gelatin topping. The first time I used this type of gelatin, it didn't work. I don't know what happened, but I think I gained mastery of how to use this leaf gelatins now. And surprisingly, after just an hour, it's set perfectly, and happy with the result. Ideally, we need overnight to have this set completely, but my cameraman is returning to his country tonight. That's why, after an hour, we have to taste it. It's still a bit hard. Crema de Fruta, no bake, you can make it, I'm sure. Go on. If this gardener with rough hands can make it, you too can make it. Thank you for joining me here today, your Korean uncle. It's my first time to do this, but yeah, it was successful. Go on. And don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel, Channel Juan, your channel for kitchen and garden. Until next time, and if you're watching this during Christmas time, Merry Christmas.